Want to look sculpted for the summer but not have overly harsh contour lines? Try this Kiss of Contour technique. All you need is your contour product, a small eyeshadow brush, and a fluffy one. Grab your contour stick, and we're not going to apply it directly on the face. Instead, you're going to grab a small tapered eyeshadow brush just like this, grab a little product, and we're still going to use my hand techniques where we use our fingers to feel exactly where our bones are to place the product, but instead of dragging the product onto the skin, we're just going to lightly stamp the tiniest amount on, just like that. And now you can always add more product as you go, but I highly recommend starting out with less, especially if you're going to be in natural sunlight and you really just want like the tiniest kiss of contour. Add a little bit more through here. And now I'm just going to lightly press the brush into the skin. Here's a little tip: if you pinch the brush head and get more precision to get really into that jawline and the outer edges of the face. Always remember to push up for this outer area. And the key here is you really don't want to be able to tell where your contour and highlight starts and stops. Now for the nose, I like to take whatever product is left on the brush and then just lightly draw a V onto the nose, just like that, and then a line cutting through the tip to shorten it. Same fluffy brush to soften all of that up. And because the lines aren't overly precise, but you do still have a beautiful contoured shadow, it gives you a really sun-kissed look. And now you can follow up with your highlight and then just run it down the bridge of the nose and a little bit on the tip. And I have a smaller forehead, so I don't take my contour up here, but if you wanted to just pull the color up there so that there was cohesion, just take whatever's left on your brush and tap it through so that it's a nice shadow wrapping around the edge of the face. And we can't forget our little lip area. So naturally where your lip folds over and you have a shadow, and then soften it up with your fluffy brush. So this is the side where we did just the kiss of contour, super soft, super blended and diffused. This is with no contour at all. It has so much more dimension versus the side's just a little flat. And this is the final look using the Kiss of Contour technique where we use the tiniest amount of product and placed it strategically. And I love it. I think it's soft, subtle, and natural while still giving us gorgeous definition.